Imagine this, being part of a secret government experiment and not even knowing it. Back in the 1950s through the early 70s, the CIA launched a covert operation so wild it sounds like something out of a sci-fi thriller. It was called Project MK Ultra. The mission? Mind control. The CIA believed that by tweaking the brain with drugs and psychological techniques, they could manipulate people's behavior, perfect for espionage. So they started experimenting, not on volunteers, but on regular folks, patients in hospitals, prisoners, and everyday civilians. Most of them never gave consent. One of their go-to tools? LSD. People were dosed without warning. Some were hypnotized. Others were locked in sensory deprivation tanks or zapped with electroshock therapy, sometimes for weeks at a time. It was a real-life psychological horror show. The idea was to crack open the mind and see if it could be rewired, programmed, or even erased. But the results were unpredictable and often disturbing. The whole thing stayed secret for decades until the 1970s, when the program was finally exposed during a series of congressional hearings. The public was stunned. Laws were changed. But many of the original documents had already been destroyed. Today, Project MK Ultra lives on in pop culture. It's inspired books, movies like The Men Who Stare at Goats, and even TV shows like Stranger Things. But here's the kicker. No one really knows how far it went, or if it ever truly stopped.